Contracts fell 8.3% from last year this same time, with sold homes rising 14.2% year over year. It's Friday, January 24th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. The days on the market have increased to 25 days this week from last year this same time of 20 days. We also have a 1% decrease in the list to sold ratio from 100%. New listings to the market fell 5.5% to 1,230 from last week. Coming soon inventory rose 15.16% this report to 997. 1,162 homes went under contract this past week in 21 days. 819 homes sold this past week in 25 days at 99% list to sold ratio. Rentals rose to $2,774 for lease at $2,467 median dollars per month. And that's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, January 24th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next Friday. Stay safe and warm. Take care.